In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook search not working after the latest update. If you've recently updated Outlook and noticed that the search bar isn't finding messages properly, or it's only returning some results, don't worry. We're going to walk through a clear, step-by-step process to get your search working again. And I'll explain what each step does so you know why you're doing it, not just what to click. First, start by completely closing Outlook. Don't just minimize it. Make sure it's fully shut down. This is important because some of the changes we'll make won't apply correctly while Outlook is still running in the background. Next, we're going to check your Windows indexing settings because Outlook search relies heavily on the Windows search index. Open your Start menu and type Indexing Options. Then open it. In the window that appears, you should see a list of locations being indexed. Look for Microsoft Outlook in that list. If Outlook isn't listed, we'll need to add it so Windows knows it should index your emails. Click on Modify, then expand the options and make sure Outlook is checked. Click OK to save your changes. Now, back in the Indexing Options window, take a look at the status at the top. If it says that indexing is in progress with a large number of items remaining, that means Windows is still working through your data. You can still use your computer, but search results in Outlook might be incomplete until this finishes. If indexing seems stuck for a long time, click the Advanced button. In the Advanced Settings, under the Index Settings tab, you can choose to rebuild the index. This will delete the existing index and recreate it from scratch, which can fix problems caused by corruption. Just keep in mind that rebuilding can take a while, especially if you have a lot of emails. Once you've adjusted or rebuilt the index, click OK and close all those windows. Open Outlook again. Give it a moment to connect to your mailbox. Then try a simple search for a sender or subject you know you have. If search is still not behaving as expected, go to Outlook's Search Tools or Search Settings and make sure you're searching in the right mailbox or folder, and that filters like date ranges or current folder only aren't unintentionally limiting your results. After that, allow some time for Windows to finish indexing in the background. Often, once the index is complete, Outlook search will return to normal and you'll be able to quickly find the emails you need.